Greetings.
Hey, how are you?
Pretty good. You?
How's your day so far?
Not bad, thanks.
So, what's up?
Not much. Just relaxing today.
How have you been lately?
Busy, but good. You know how life is.
Yeah, totally. How are things otherwise?
Things are great. No complaints.
How are you doing these days?
I'm doing well. And you?
You okay? You look a bit tired.
Yeah, I'm fine. Just didn't sleep much last night.
What's going on with you lately?
Nothing much. How about you?
It's so good to see you.
You too. Really?
Long time no see.
I know, right? It's been forever.
How was your weekend?
It was nice and quiet. Just stayed home and rested.
How's it going these days?
Can't complain. Life's okay.
You look happy today.
I am. It's a good day finally.
Everything all right, though?
All good, thanks.
And your family? How are they doing?
They're all doing well. Thanks for asking.
Introductions. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Mia.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
Do you live here?
Yes, I live nearby.
Is this your first time here?
No, I come here often.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-0199.
Can you spell your name?
MIA.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where do you work?
I work at a cafe.
Do you study here?
Yes, at the university.
What's your email?
It's mia@email.com.
Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved here.
Do you know John?
Yes, he's my friend.
Can we be friends too?
Of course.
Weather.
Is it hot outside?
Yes, very hot.
Will it rain today?
I think so.
How's the weather now?
It's sunny and warm.
Is it cold today?
A little bit.
Do you like the rain?
Yes, I love it.
Is it snowing?
Not yet.
What's the temperature?
It's 25 degrees.
Is it windy?
Very windy.
Nice day, isn't it?
Yes, beautiful.
Do you have an umbrella?
Oh, I forgot it.
Is it too hot for you?
No, it's perfect.
Will it be sunny tomorrow?
I hope so.
Do you like summer?
It's my favorite season.
Is the weather bad now?
Yes, terrible.
Is it warm enough inside?
Yes, just right.
Family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one sister.
How's your family?
They're great, thank you.
How many people in your family?
4 people.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I do.
How old is your brother?
He's 15 years old.
What does your father do?
He's a doctor.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have children?
Yes, one daughter.
Is this your family in the picture?
Yes, that's us.
How's your mother?
She's very well.
Do you have a big family?
No, a small one.
Where does your sister live?
She lives in London.
Are you the oldest?
No, I'm the youngest.
Do you visit your family often?
Yes, every weekend.
How's your baby?
He's sleeping now.
Food. Are you hungry?
Yes, let's eat.
Do you like pizza?
I love it.
What's for dinner tonight?
Chicken and rice.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please.
Is the food good?
Yes, delicious.
Are you vegetarian?
No, I'm not.
Can you cook?
A little bit.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta.
Do you want water?
No, thank you.
Is it spicy?
Yes, very spicy.
Do you like Chinese food?
Yes, I do.
Are you thirsty?
A little bit.
More rice?
No, I'm full.
Do you want dessert?
Maybe later.
Can you pass the salt?
Sure, here you go.
At the restaurant.
Good evening. How many people, please?
Just one, thank you.
Right this way. Would you like to sit by the window?
Yes, that's perfect.
Here's the menu. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. I'll need a minute.
Sure. Take your time.
Okay, I'll have the grilled chicken with rice.
Great choice. Would you like something to drink?
Just water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still water.
Anything else?
Maybe a small salad too.
Sure thing. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Here's your meal. Enjoy.
Wow, that looks delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
It's perfect. Compliments to the chef.
I'll let him know.
Could I get the bill, please?
Of course. One moment.
At the doctor.
Good morning. What seems to be the problem?
I've been having a headache since last night.
I see. Any fever or dizziness?
No fever, but I feel tired.
I see. Are you sleeping well?
Not really. Maybe 4 to 5 hours a night.
That could be why. Do you drink enough water?
Probably not.
Try to rest more and stay hydrated.
Okay, I'll do that.
I'll give you some mild medicine for the pain.
Thank you, doctor.
Don't worry. You'll feel better soon.
I hope so.
Come back if it doesn't improve in a few days.
I will. Thanks again.
At the post office.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to send this package to Canada.
Sure. What's inside the parcel?
Just some clothes and books.
Do you want express delivery or regular?
How long does express take?
About 3 days.
Okay, I'll take express then.
Great. Please fill out this form.
Done. Here you go.
It's 2 kilos. That'll be $25.
Here's the payment.
Thank you. Here's your tracking number.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Free time.
So, what do you do in your free time?
I like reading and listening to music.
Oh, nice. What kind of books do you read?
Mostly romance and mystery novels.
Sounds fun. Do you play any sports?
I play badminton sometimes.
Really? I love that game too.
Maybe we can play together someday.
Sure. What about weekends?
I usually go hiking or meet friends.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, especially comedies.
Same here. Movies make everything better.
Yeah, especially after a long week.
So, what are your plans this weekend?
Maybe just relax and do nothing.
At the airport.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, just one suitcase.
Okay. Please put it on the scale.
Here it is.
Perfect. You're all set. Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Your gate number is 12 and boarding starts at 5:30.
Got it. Thanks.
Have a safe flight.
Thanks. I'm really excited to travel.
Where are you heading?
Paris for a short vacation.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you so much.
At the library.
Excuse me, are you looking for the same book?
Oh, maybe. I'm searching for English Grammar Made Easy.
Oh, me too. It's really popular.
Guess we have good taste.
Yeah. Do you know if it's available?
Looks like the last copy is gone.
Oh no, I needed it for class.
You can borrow my copy when I'm done if you'd like.
Really? That's so nice of you.
No problem. I'll finish it tonight.
Thank you. By the way, I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm David.
You come here often?
Yeah, it's my second home.
Same here. I love the quiet.
Me too. Books and peace. Perfect combo.
Weather talk.
Wow, the sky looks so clear today.
Yeah, finally. No rain for once.
I know, right? It's been raining all week.
My shoes are still wet from yesterday.
Oh no, that sounds awful.
It's okay. Today feels nice and fresh.
Perfect weather for a walk.
Or a picnic in the park.
You read my mind.
Great minds think alike.
Do you think it'll stay sunny?
I hope so. Weather here changes every hour.
True. Better enjoy it while it lasts.
Definitely.
Food and cooking.
Does this smell okay?
Smells delicious. You're a great cook.
Thanks. I love trying new recipes.
What are we making today?
Pasta with creamy mushroom sauce.
My favorite. Need any help?
Yeah, can you cut those tomatoes?
Sure. Like this?
Not too big, smaller pieces.
You're the boss, chef.
Don't forget it.
So, do you cook every day?
Almost. It's relaxing for me.
That's awesome. I usually just order food.
Then today, you're learning from the best.
I'll take notes.
At the gym.
This treadmill is killing me.
Same here. First day back?
Yeah, I haven't worked out in months.
Don't worry, you'll get your rhythm soon.
Thanks. Do you come here often?
Almost every day. It's like therapy.
You must really love it.
I do. After the first 10 minutes of pain.
Yeah, that part's the worst.
But you are doing great. Keep it up.
Thanks, coach. I'll try.
Want to join me for a cool down after this?
Sure, that sounds nice.
Awesome. Fitness buddies then.
Deal.
Making new friends.
Your dog is so cute. What's his name?
Thanks. His name's Max. And yours?
This is Bella. She loves meeting new dogs.
Looks like they're already friends.
Yeah, they get along so fast.
Do you come here often?
Almost every morning. It's our favorite place.
Same here. I live just around the corner.
Really? Me too.
Small world, huh?
Yeah. So maybe we can walk them together sometime?
I'd love that.
Great. New friends for both of us.
And for our dogs, too.